see you all properly. Right. Today, actually, we are going to discuss a practical session. Right. All of you are in. Right. Okay. So today we are going to discuss about a practical session. And let me first share my screen. Here, I'm going to discuss about an operating system. So because our lesson is about operating systems. So this is the first one in the workshop. So let's open the presentation first. This is presentation. And this is our book. This is our workbook. And workbook, the second lesson is about.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. In the workbook, the second lesson, we are going to discuss the second lesson today.
Good evening.
Because we have finished discussing the first one. If there are new students who just joined, so don't worry. You can cover everything because we have pre-recorded all the videos. So you can go through the videos and cover this stuff easily. And actually, I want to see you all. If possible, please turn on the cameras. Then I can see you all. And then I can help you in case if you're facing any difficulty. Right? So if you're not going to turn on, then I don't know whether you are doing this or not. Therefore, please turn on the cameras. Right, okay. Configuration and format in a computer. Today we are going to discuss about configuration and format in a computer. Before we begin, actually, we have to discuss about operating system. So may I know what is operating system? What is operating system? Why operating system is used? Can you all tell? Can anyone tell the answer? What is operating system and why operating system is used? Yes. So I'll ask from, okay. First, I'll start from the people who have not turned on the cameras. So they are the people who are reluctant to turn on. Okay. Nisali, what is operating system? Okay. What is operating system and why operating system is used? Can you tell me your idea, Nisali? Nisali, are you here? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So what is operating system and why we are going to use operating system?
System software that manages computer hardware.
System software manage computer hardware. Okay. So anything else? Any idea? Okay, let's ask from Yenoli. Yenoli. Yes. What is operating system? Yenoli, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is operating system, Puta? What do you think about operating system? Have you used operating system?
Yes, sir.
So what was the operating system you have used?
Windows.
Windows. Okay. What is Windows? Why we are using Windows? So any reason?
To
Yes.
make
Any reason? Any reason why we are using Windows? Okay, then right. I think Dahamsa, you are here, no? Dahamsa. Dahamsa. Can you hear me? Hello. Dahamsa, can you hear me? So I think yes.
So operating system is so
Yeah.
Operating system is system software that manages computer hardware software resources.
Operating system is a system software. Yes. Okay.
System software resources and provide common services.
Okay. So, okay, let me give my definition or let me give my idea about operating system. So, operating system basically, so operating system is called the main functionality of operating system. It is intermediary between. It is an intermediary. Basically, it is an intermediary between hardware and. It is an intermediary between hardware and us. Intermediary කියන්නේ මැද ඉන්න කෙනෙක්. So for an example, okay. So we see computer as operating system. අපි computer එක දකින්නේ operating system එකක් විදිහට තමයි අපි computer එක කියලා කියන්නේ. අතරම අපි operating system එක. ඒකට හේතුව තමයි the reason for that is basically okay, assume that you are copying a file. File එකක් copy කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකක්ද ඔබ? How you are copying a file? Okay, assume that you are copying a file from your pen drive to CD. How you copy? Litu?
Sir, එක right click කරලා cut කරලා ඕනේ මේ pen එකේ
copy,
save කරනවා.
paste. Okay,
Yes.
right click. Is it tangible? Right click, is it tangible? Can you touch right click? The menu?
No sir. No sir.
No, sir.
Can you touch copy command? Can you do
No, sir.
copy? So without yes.
No, sir.
No sir, we can't do that.
Yeah. Then can you paste using can you touch it physically?
No sir.
Okay, for an example,
No sir.
let's say I have a mobile phone in my desk. I have a mobile phone. Can I copy and paste it somewhere? Copy and take
No
another-
sir.
No.
No sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, physically I cannot do, but it is happening logically. Why? Because of the operating system. It's happening because of the operating system. So that's why I'm telling operating system OS is, yes, operating system an intermediary between you and your computer, your hardware, you and your hardware. So you can write down this one. You can write down this one, the note, right? The main functionality of operating system is to hide the internal complexity of hardware components and providing an user-friendly interface to work with the computer. So within bracket you can write it is, let's write this, right? It is an intermediary between computer. It is an intermediate between you and your computer hardware. Please write.
Okay sir.
Finish.
Yes sir.
No, sir. Sir, another 2 more minutes.
Sorry.
Sir, do we need to write this?
Yeah, you need to write this. No need to write the single one. So please write this.
Sir, can you give another 2 more minutes?
Okay, I'll give. So please write this one, this highlighted content. It is intermediary between you and your computer. Basically, the main functionality of operating system is to hide internal complexity.
Sir, what do we need to write?
Come in. Is that you?
Sir, what do we need to write? Sir, what do we have to write?
Can you repeat that? I cannot hear you properly.
Sir, what do we need to write?
You need to write the highlighted area, highlighted things. This one, the main functionality of operating system. So this part. Always, I recommend you to turn on the camera and join, because if you are inconvenient, it's okay. But the thing is, then I can see what you are doing and whether you are sleeping or whether you are waked up and all. Then I can see. There's a feature if you want to change your background. There's a feature, so you can choose a visual background, virtual background, and you can just go and select a virtual background and apply on you.
So how download backgrounds, sir?
No need to download background, just go to the virtual backgrounds and apply it.
So to apply the background, we should have the backgrounds.
Yeah, you should have the background, but there are most of the backgrounds are available. Well, not most, actually, few backgrounds are available. That is default views, how few backgrounds are available. So you can tick that I have drain screen and then click that, but you don't have drain screen.
Sir, can't see the screen.
You want to see the screen, sir. If you want to see the screen, let me cancel out this. Now you can see it now. Can you see it now? Now it's okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Right. Okay. Right. Then let's move.
So can you wait one minute?
Okay. So because next we have to do a practical, that's why I just want to move quickly. We have to do the practical stuff, and that is really important to do a practical. That's why I just want to do this very quickly. Finish writing?
No, sir.
Okay, let's move. Okay, you should know these terms. So basically, you should know these terms. Why hardware is complex? Why hardware is complex? Why it is internal complexity? What's the reason to tell that hide in internal complexity? What's the reason? Okay, think that you are copying a file from a mobile phone memory chip, memory card to a pen drive. You are copying a file from a memory card to pen drive. Can you see whether file is there in the memory card inside? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the files inside memory card?
No, sir.
Otherwise?
No, sir.
Can you see
No,
the file inside pen drive?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
Without operating system. I'm asking whether you take a pen drive.
but when we connect it to a computer, we can.
Yeah, when you connect to the computer, you can see. But other than that, can you see it is when it is inside the hardware? CDs. Can you see whether
Yes, sir.
when we are referring to the CD, can you see the content inside CDs? පේන්නේ නැහැ නේද? සාමාන්‍යයෙන් අපි CD එකක් ගත්තොත් අපිට පේනවාද CD එක?
No, can't see, sir.
You can't see that. So it is internally, it is saved using a complex algorithm, complex method. Yeah, I know my background is not clear. I'm in a very dark place due to this power issue and all. So don't worry about that. I'll change or I'll stop using the video then. Right, okay. Then, okay, so what is next? So what is user interface? Interface. What is friendly user interface? What is that? User interface has content like these things. You know, the windows, graphics, icons, menus, commands are there in the user interface. Today we will learn two user interfaces. Basically, what is this window? This is belongs to the user interface. Right? Then these icons in the desktop belongs to the user interface. Then menus like this insert, design, transaction, these are also belongs to the user interface. User interface means anything that you can interact in the computer. We call user interface. Anything that you can interact in the computer, you call it user interface. Understood? Windows, icons, menus, graphics. Those are called user interface. And if you don't know, please write down Windows, graphics, icon, menus, and commands. Those are called the user interface. And okay, and the next thing is it also performs these things: hardware management, software management, and user management. So operating system is responsible for hardware management. Hardware management means you can copy a file from pen drive to CD. Both are hardware. Right? Pen drive එකත් hardware, CD එකත් hardware. But you can copy and paste files from CD to pen drive. You can format your pen drive, or you can erase your pen drive. So that is hardware management. The next thing is software management. You can install PowerPoint, MS Office like software to the operating system. So that is called software management. And the third thing is user management. You can create various user accounts. So can you do this? Press Windows and R in your computer. Press Windows and R in your computer. Right? Press Windows and R in your computer. It will give you a menu. Windows button and R. It will give you this submenu. Then can you type control? Then type control. Windows plus R. Then type control.
So can you say from the beginning?
Press Windows plus R. Don't do other things. Then only you cannot. You cannot hear me, because when you are doing some other things, it will make your focus out. Windows R. Windows and R key. Then type control and press enter. Control and press enter. Then what will happen?
Control panel.
Control panel comes.
It will open. Yeah, it will open the control panel. It will open the control panel. So remember these steps. Please write down. If you cannot remember this, please write down and remember the steps. If you don't know, please write down and remember the steps. Windows plus R, then control. Okay, Windows plus R can be used to do many things. For an example, so even you can take your screensaver. Screensaver කියලා එකක් තියෙනවා නේද? Have you seen that? Screensavers? දැකලා තියෙනවද? Why screensaver is used? Why screensaver is used? When you are idle, when you are not using the computer.
No, sir.
You have not seen screensavers? Okay, then press Windows R again. Windows R again without closing this. Press Windows R again. Then type bubbles.scr, bubbles.scr. Bubbles.scr and press enter.
So screen එකේ bubbles එනවා.
So you have not seen this previously? To be honest, you have not seen this.
So දැකලා තියෙනවා sir.
Then that is called screensaver. So that is called screensaver, right? Screensaver means it is useful. So when your screen is idle, right? When your screen is idle, right? When your screen is idle, it plays screensaver. When your screen is idle, it plays screensaver because that is to protect your screen from damaging, because your screen pixels otherwise will use maybe then මෙහෙම use කරනකොට මේ එකම pixel එක එකම color එකෙන් තියෙන. It's not changing. Right? It is not good for your computer. Therefore, after some time, it will automatically start playing screensaver like this. Then the pixel colors are changing. Or these dots are changing. That is good for your computer. Otherwise, if you're not changing, so that might, the long run, it will affect your computer. That's why screensaver is used.
Are there many
Sorry.
many other things like that, like bubbles, SCR?
Screensavers, you can just go to, just go to your here, go down and you can see here something like not this one, not color management, display, ABCD. Is it there or not?
There are not much icons in my control panel.
You don't have icons, then you have to change these to. So if you have category use, you will see these icons only. Right? If you have category use, you will see these icons only. Then you have to click on this and select small icons or large icons.
Then what do we have to do?
So here, click on view and select small icons or large icons. Then it will show all the icons. Okay, for an example,
Okay, sir.
change your screensaver. So if you want to change your screensaver, you can right click on the desktop. Okay, you can go to the desktop by pressing Windows D, Windows button D, Windows D, Windows button and D key. Then it will quickly go to your desktop. Then right click on empty place and go to display settings. Here, sorry, not display settings, sorry, personalize. Right click and go to personalize. There you can see how to change your background, how to change your screensaver. Those things you can see here. Background, colors, lock screen. But the thing is here I have not activated my Windows version, therefore I cannot see that panel. Right? Otherwise you can see the lock screen and screensaver, all these things in this. After activating this, you can see colors, themes, screensavers and all. But you can change this, right? You can change this anytime. So there are many like screensavers. So that is not our topic today. So today we are going to discuss about users. Then go to, after going to this, go to users. Here from this, please go to users. That is, they are, just use small icons. You can see users. user accounts. Please go to user accounts. Okay, there you can see in the operating system, there you can see how to create and manage user account. So if you want to create new account, if you want to create a new account, please click on this one, manage another account. Please click on manage another account and add new user in PC settings. Add new user in PC settings. Right? So I'll do this again. Go to users, go to user accounts here, go to control panel, then go to user accounts, then go to user accounts, go to user accounts. After going to user accounts, please go and click on this one, manage another account, and then click on add new user in PC settings. Then you can select whether is it your family member or is it some other person. Let's add a family member, or let's add a someone else here, this one, someone else, and it will ask the email or phone number. Or if you don't have sign in information, you can click on this one. If you don't have sign in information, email එකක් නැහැ, please click this one. I don't have email address, and then it will ask to create you an account. Then it will ask you to create an account. Then it will ask to add a Microsoft account. Then it will add to us a Microsoft account. ඒගොල්ලෝ ඉස්සලා මානේ Microsoft account එකක් තියනවාද කියලා. So I don't have Microsoft account even. Then I'll go to add user without a Microsoft account. I'll click on this one, add user without a Microsoft. Follow me, all right? Do the same thing. Add user without a Microsoft account. Then it is asking the username. I'm going to type the username as ICT school. And my password, I'm going to give a very small password like 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm going to give the same password again, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, that's all. And then you can create the, click next, but it will ask you to give 3 security questions. So please remember this is important, and that is there in your practicals. මෙතනට එනකන් ආවද නැත්නම් you got any issue up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's do the security questions. My first question is what is your first pet's name? I'll give something, let's say pet 1. Then don't give this answer, you give the real answer. What's the name of city where you born? I'll give city 1. Don't give this, then it is easy to hack your account, right? You give meaningful thing. Security question says next, another question, let's say what's the name of your first school you attend? What's the name of first school you attend? I'll give school 1 because I just want to create the account, that's why. Pet's name pet 1 and city's name city 1 and school's name is school 1. Then I'll create next. For testing purpose, you can apply you can give the same thing. For testing purpose, you can give the same thing. Let's click next. And yes, now you can see my user account is here, ICT account school. The local account is created. Local account is created. Okay, if you have created the local account, then you can log in using the particular account. Right? That part we'll do later, but first of all, try to create this local account and send me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, send me a screenshot. Don't log out now. Right? Send me a screenshot using your WhatsApp. Create this account. I'll add this as activity. I'll add this as activity to your Edmodo. Right? So one thing today we learned about creating an account.
So created.
Yeah, create account. So if you have created that, take a print screen. How to take screenshot in Windows? Come the screen ke photo ekak ganne.
Windows and PRTSC.
Yes.
Windows plus PRTSC.
Windows plus print screen.
Oh,
Or you can use
print
this one. You can press Windows key. Windows key එක press කරලා you can use SNI snipping tool. Windows key එක ගහලා බලන්න. Windows key එක press කරලා බලන්න. There's something called
Excuse me, sir.
SNI snipping tool.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Tuna.
Sir, when I excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So when I click the Windows and print screen, the screenshot is not been, cannot take the screenshot.
Why?
Oh no, sir. When I press the Windows and print screen, the screenshot is not coming.
Windows and print screen, Donal. You have to take the print screen button. You have to press the print screen button here. Print screen කියලා button එකක් තියෙනවනේ නේද? උඩම ඔක්කොගේ තියෙනවද? PRTSC කියලා button එකක් තියෙනවද? Keyboard එකේ.
Yes.
All of you. Can you press that? Can you all press that? Dunal, Tevindu, Minul, Tenoja, can you all press that button? Print screen?
I can press that, sir.
Okay, press that button. Then
Sir,
press
can I
Windows
use
R.
my tablet?
So what?
Windows R again. Run. Then MS Paint.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can I do it in my tablet? Because today my laptop is not working.
Then no. Not in the tablet, because tablet it doesn't have the print screen key, no? In tablet and mobile phone basically, so there are special keys. Like in mobile phone you have to press power key and the power and volume down, I think. Power and volume down key.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But in Windows, please remember the steps, right? Next day you can do this in your computer. Press print
Okay,
screen
sir.
button first, right? Print screen button, then Windows R and go to MS Paint. Here this one, MS Paint, then click OK. Then press Ctrl V. Then press Ctrl V. You got or not? You got it or not?
No, sir.
No.
No.
What part? Which part you miss? Windows R MS Paint. Is that okay? MS Paint. You got this one?
So when I click the Control V in the MS Paint, it shows only the View tab. It's going to the View tab.
Control V, paste.
Sir.
Not Alt V. It's Control V. Not FN and V or something. That is Control CTRL plus V.
Sir, it's not working. No,
Minul, you are getting? Minul,
no sir.
did you press print screen button? Have you found the print screen button? Yes or no? Minul?
Yes, sir.
Right. Can you press it again?
Sir, working, sir.
It's working. Press it again.
Sir, what button?
Sir, should we click the Windows button and the R by pressing the print screen button?
No. What you have to do is here, this is on-screen keyboard. Let me show this on-screen keyboard. So there's a button called print screen. Here, PRTSCN. Some button, something somewhere here in the top of the keyboard. PRTSCN or print screen, PRTSC, something like that. Can you find that button?
Sir, next to the delete icon.
Next to the delete icon. Right, good. So in my one, it is next to F12, but might be different location. So
Sir, can we get that keyboard?
sorry, Shamin. Shamin,
How can we get that keyboard?
you want to see take the keyboard? No, it is taken using Windows and on screen here. Windows, press Windows and on screen, then you can get the on screen keyboard. Right? So in this, press print screen button. That is number one, right? After pressing print screen button, okay. After pressing print screen button, then press Windows and then press Windows button and R. Windows button and R key. It will give you this run dialog box. Then type MS Paint. එක දිගට ලියන්න ඕන. MS Paint. හරිද? MS Paint. Then press OK. That will open this paint window. හරිද? Is that okay or still doing?
Okay, sir. Up to that.
Okay, sir.
No, sir, can't do. Not working, no, sir.
Which one is not working?
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
It's working, no? Shamin, which one is not working?
Someone has. Sir, I told it's working.
It's working.
Somebody said it's not working.
Okay. Right, MS Paint. It is MS Paint. Then press OK. Then it's working. Then press Control CTRL and V button. V Control V.